Hi, this is Seth from Circuit Board Medics. If you have a Ford F-150 that's between the years 2011 and 2014 and you're having issues with your instrument cluster, you're not alone. These clusters are a pretty common failure point, and it's only a matter of time before problems appear. So today, we're going to show you what symptoms indicate a failed instrument cluster and show you how to get back up and running quickly. The most common signs of a failing instrument cluster include an LCD odometer or productivity screen that intermittently fades, flickers, becomes unreadable. In many cases, the screen may stop functioning altogether. You may also notice gauges that behave erratically, such as needles that stick, fail to move, display incorrect readings, or stop working entirely, making it difficult to accurately monitor vehicle speed, fuel level, engine temperature, or other critical information. This, of course, can be very frustrating and a potential safety hazard. Because of this, Circuit Board Medics offers an affordable repair service to rebuild the cluster, restoring and upgrading it to function better than new with a fast one business day turnaround time. Our service preserves your original programming and mileage and is covered by our comprehensive, no-hassle warranty. The process is simple. You just need to purchase the repair service on our website, and you'll receive an email with instructions for how to ship your module to us. Once we receive it, we'll fully rebuild and test the cluster in one business day and ship it back to you. When you receive your cluster, it will be ready to install, no programming required. Simply plug it back in and you're all set. If you're ready to restore your truck's functionality and get back on the road quickly, you can visit us at circuitboardmedics.com or give us a call at 800-547-2049. We look forward to serving you.